We're in the Chromium-based version of Microsoft Edge. I'm going to show you how to get this toolbar to show up so that way you can have a lot of your favorites just right at your fingertips. So if you click these three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then from here we click on Favorites, then we have this option to click on Show Favorites Bar. So we have Always, Never, or Only on New Tabs. So I'll click on Always. And there's our bar. Now I've already saved a couple of favorites here from a previous video that I did. So if I want, I can go ahead and click on that. So if you don't want them to show up as folders and then favorites, you can have them show up directly in the bar itself simply by going to the favorites and then just choose the bar, favorites bar right here. Click done, and now it shows up with just the individual website rather than the folders. So you can either show folders with your favorites inside it, or you can show the actual websites themselves. So let's do that one more time with a new tab just to make sure you understand how it works. We'll click on the plus, and we'll just click on a new website, click on the star, and make sure favorites bar shows as the folder. And now we have the New York Stock Exchange as well as LinkedIn in our favorites bar. If you no longer want to see the favorites bar at the top, just click on the three dots that you see here, go to where it says favorites, and then go to the show favorites bar and choose never. And now it's gone. So that's how you show and manage the favorites toolbar in the Chromium Edge web browser.